The 6-pole motor and concentrated winding motor increases compressor motor operating efficiency. Control PCB to increase. However, Daikin adopted advanced refrigerant cooling technology to lower the temperature. The control PCB is crucial in managing every aspect and function of the entire air conditioning system. As an innovator of intelligent air conditioning systems, Daikin introduced VRV in 1982, and the use of VRV systems has continued to expand worldwide for over 30 years. By developing and further refining new technologies and refrigerants, Daikin offers customers air conditioning solutions that provide both energy efficiency and comfort while anticipating present and future customer needs. Daikin leads the industry in advanced innovation and has consistently succeeded in the application of its state-of-the-art technology. In the year 2013, Daikin aimed even higher, incorporating its next-generation technology to create VRV4. Through VRV4, Daikin is blazing a new path with high-efficiency performance and easy installation and operation. Innovative VRT energy-saving technology. VRT reduces compressor workload by changing the indoor unit heat exchanger temperature, a fixed value on previous models. Capacity is adjusted to the air conditioning load, which changes according to the outdoor temperature. VRT enables adjustment by changing the evaporating refrigerant temperature in the indoor unit heat exchanger. In addition to the energy savings obtained through inverter technology, a decrease in the temperature difference between the condensing temperature and evaporating temperature reduces compressor workload. This leads to a large improvement in COP while maintaining comfort. VRT is particularly effective during the intermediate period between seasons. VRT technology is revolutionary in adjusting capacity to suit varying building and climate conditions. It's the future mainstream of energy savings. The new heat exchanger has a larger heat exchange surface due to the introduction of 3-row waffle fins with 7mm diameter cooling tubes. Furthermore, the fins are arranged closer with a reduced fin pitch. This 4-sided structure is shaped and manufactured using Daikin's cutting-edge technology. Thixo casting improves material strength, enabling reduction of the compressor chamber wall thickness while increasing the compression volume 1.5 times. The 6-pole motor and concentrated winding motor increases compressor motor operating efficiency. Processing large amounts of information causes the temperature of the main control PCB to increase. However, Daikin adopted advanced refrigerant cooling technology to lower the temperature. The control PCB is crucial in managing every aspect and function of the entire air conditioning system. The VRV4 air conditioning system supports long piping lengths, which allows all outdoor units to be centralized and placed together. This revolutionary design makes VRV4 smaller and lighter. The highest capacity for a single module has been increased to 20 horsepower. Thanks to its compact size, the area occupied by the outdoor units is greatly reduced. This allows more space for other green initiatives. The ceiling-mounted round flow has sensors that detect floor temperature and human presence to ensure the most comfortable environment. Daikin Intelligent Touch Manager offers centralized air conditioning management using a touchscreen interface. The Energy Navigator feature increases the effectiveness of energy management. With a comprehensive VRV4 solution, a building can operate at peak efficiency and capacity. Daikin has been introducing VRV in more than 70 countries for over 30 years. Installed in various cities and countries around the world and in every type of building, including tall commercial buildings, hotels and stadiums, Daikin's VRV has become the leading choice for large-scale projects. Daikin will continue to provide comfortable indoor air spaces in the future. With its advanced innovation, Daikin VRV4 provides a bridge to the future of intelligent air conditioning.